Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Have you ever stayed up late swapping stories and in the morning you wanted waffles? Well, today we're making chocolate blood orange waffles. Oh yeah. All you're going to need from our store is the blood orange agrumato olive oil. That's going in our mixture. As well, you'll need some extra virgin olive oil just to coat the plates of your waffle iron. And just a reminder that for all ingredient amounts, please go to our website where you will find all of that. The recipe's posted on there. First, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. We do have some whole wheat flour here. Next thing we're going to add to this is our sugar. Got some brown sugar here. Also have some cocoa. We do have some baking powder that we're putting in this. As well as some salt. I just want to make sure these all get combined nicely. Break up that sugar. Actually looks pretty good. Now we'll move on to the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we're going to start with some yogurt. We are using a plant-based yogurt for this recipe. As well, we are using a couple eggs. I'm not a professional egg breaker, just so you know. There we go. That's better. Also, now is the time when you bring in your blood orange olive oil. And you want to whisk all that up together. Looks like everything's pretty well combined. Now we'll be adding this to the dry. At this point, we have plugged in our waffle iron. Now we are going to add the wet ingredients to the dry. Just want to make sure that everything gets nice and combined. Scrape out this. Make sure there's no big bits coming out of this. You want it to combine well. Looks like we got a pretty good consistency now. We're going to take this over to our iron. Our waffle iron's ready. First thing you want to do is just lightly coat this with some olive oil. And then we're going to put some of our batter right in the middle. And we are going to leave that. Ooh. I like the sound of that sizzle. And the reveal. Got some nice color in here. Make sure it looks good on this side. It looks pretty good. We're gonna get it on a plate and keep making some more. Sorry. As you can see, we made this look pretty. Let's get a bite out of this. First, we need some maple syrup, so let's get our drizzle on. Beautiful. Let's get a bite here. If you want to, you could actually put a little bit of powdered sugar on this, make it look even more pretty. Let's get a bit here with our cherry. Might have needed a bigger plate, that's okay. There we go. It's almost cakey in texture. That's really nice. Nice and warm with that blood orange, the chocolate, even with the cherries on top. Hey, cherry on top. Gotta love it. This is a great way to have breakfast for dessert, or is it dessert for breakfast? I'm gonna let you decide on that one. This is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Also, if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. That wasn't enough. Hey guys, that almost tripped. As well as some extra virgin olive oil just to coat the, what are they called?
Waffle iron.
Waffle iron plates. Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. That was weird.